केंद्रीय मंत्री डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह ने सुशासन सप्ताह का उद्घाटन किया। केंद्र सुशासन सप्ताह के तहत विशेष रूप से ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में जन शिकायतों के निवारण और सेवा वितरण में सुधार के लिए एक राष्ट्रव्यापी अभियान के रूप में कार्य करेगा। केंद्रीय मंत्री ने सुशासन सप्ताह पोर्टल भी लॉन्च किया। प्रधानमंत्री ने सुशासन सप्ताह की सफलता के लिए अपनी शुभकामनाएं दी हैं।
लोक शिकायतों के निवारण और सेवा वितरण में सुधार के लिए आज राष्ट्रव्यापी प्रशासन गांव की ओर अभियान की शुरुआत हो गई। केंद्रीय मंत्री डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह ने सुशासन सप्ताह का उद्घाटन किया। जितेंद्र सिंह 2 साल की उपलब्धियों पर एक ई-बुक लॉन्च भी कर रहे हैं।
I think to recall that, we have to recall that soon after Shri Narendra Modi took over as Prime Minister in 2014, one of the first mantras that he gave us was maximum governance and minimum government. And one of the first tasks that he assigned to us was to implement this mantra. And looking back today, I think we have managed to reasonably walk the talk, and the credit for this goes most of all to the team ARPG. I have no hesitation to compliment Sanjay Singh ji, Mr. Srinivas and his team, because if I don't pat their back and I don't pat my own back, who else would? And having said that, also because when we came into the government and this department, it was not a very visible department in Government of India. Nobody even knew where ARPG is located. Even today, many people are not aware that there is something called ARPG located in the Sardar Patel Bhavan. But must compliment the team. They have now made it visible pan-India. And then when we talk of good governance, as was being spelled out to you by Sanjay Singh ji, the first and the foremost objective of good governance, as we understand, as we have tried to understand, research and study over the years, is to bring in ease of living in the life of a common man. Because if ultimately governance is aimed at that objective, no amount of whatever we do in offices is going to make a difference to the society. And this government, I think, was very clear, at least Honorable Prime Minister was very clear, and it was not difficult for us because we had a very illustrious example in the form of Prime Minister himself. We just had to emulate what he was saying, what he was doing. And I think the first, or the earliest indication of the declaration of intent that he wanted to make was when just within 3 months after the government came in, we did away with an old age practice from the British legacy, that of getting the documents attested, and the self-attestation was introduced. And we sent out a loud message that here was a government headed by Prime Minister Modi, which had the capacity, the courage, and the confidence to trust the youth of this country.